everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video, I'm going to explain you about job design for high performance in the subject of organization behavior. So basically in this video we will learn what is job design and what are the different techniques we have in job design in order to achieve high performance, and then in the next video we will be discussing about goal setting. Okay, so let's get into the video without any further delay. So first of all, let us try to understand what do you mean by job design. Job design is drafting the tasks, tools, roles and responsibilities, knowledge and all which are required to complete a given job. If you are given a job, then a job or a work or a task or anything, then the different types of skills required for that, the skill set, that is the tools, the roles, responsibilities and the knowledge, all these things will come under job design. Okay, you're making a list of all the tools required to complete the job, what all roles are required. Suppose you decided to do a AI ML project. Okay, then what are the tools required? You need Python, you need SQL, you need some data, some knowledge in data pre-processing and so on, right? And what are the roles required? You need a person to collect the data, you need a person to analyze the data, you need a person to write the code, you need a person to test it, you need a person to maintain it and all. And what are your responsibilities? You have to first start writing the code, and then you have to test it against all your use cases. If it is not working, you have to modify your code and all. So those are your responsibilities. And what is the knowledge required? You have to have coding knowledge in Python, you have to have knowledge about SQL, you have to have knowledge about documentation and all, right? So this is nothing but job design. You are making a list of all these things, then it is called as job design. Okay, very simple. Now let's see what are the different techniques we have for high performance job design. We have 4 techniques: job simplification, job rotation, job enrichment and job enlargement. Now let us see in detail about each of them. First is the job simplification. Job simplification. Before learning job simplification, let us learn what is a task. The smaller subpart of a job is called task. Okay, a job is broken into number of parts and each part is called task. Task 1, task 2, task 3, task 1 and so on, like that. Okay, so each task is each smaller part of a job is called task, and these tasks should be clearly explained to the person who is doing that. It is not like the complete job will be done by one person, right? So some job will be broken into subparts and each subpart will be assigned to different people. Here each subpart means what? Task. Okay, and these tasks, whoever is doing that particular task, if task 1 is being done by person 1, then the task 1 has to be clearly explained or clearly specified. It has to be in a simplified way to the person who is doing the task. Okay, that's all about job simplification. Next is job rotation. In job rotation, what we will do is, in fixed time intervals, in periodic time intervals, the employee is shifted from one job to the other job or one task to the other task, so that they do not get bored. For example, task 1 is there. If the task 1 has to be done for 90 days, if all the 90 days the employee is working on the same task, then he will get bored, right? Okay, maybe for the first 1 month or for the first 45 days it might be good. Later on he will start getting bored. So in order to avoid that, we are following this process of job rotation. Okay, got it? They will not get bored and they can get a chance to do different tasks in limited period of time, because of which they can improve their skills. Why? Because they are working on different tasks. So let us go back to our previous example of an AI ML project. Suppose you started working on Python. After 30 days you are shifted to work on SQL. After more 30 days you're shifted to work on big data. Here what is happening? In the first 30 days you're getting the knowledge of Python, in the second 30 days you're getting the knowledge of SQL, in the next 30 days you're getting the knowledge of big data, right? That means you're able to gain knowledge on different techniques because of this job rotation. Okay, next is job enrichment. Here what will happen is, single person is supposed to have many skills so that the resources can be effectively utilized and the organization will never suffer from shortage of resources. So what do you mean by this? For example, let us go back to our previous example again. So we have 3 people. Among that, one person is doing Python, one person is doing SQL, and the other person is doing big data. Suppose the person who is doing Python suddenly left the organization. Then how? Until you recruit somebody who is very good in Python and you train them according to your project, the position will be vacated, right? So in that case, if this person is also having the knowledge of Python, then this person can do the work, right? Until somebody comes into that position. So each person should have many skills so that whenever there is shortage of resources, then there will be no problem. Resources can be utilized effectively. Got it? Here job rotation is different, job enrichment is different. Job enrichment is just for it's not like the person will be definitely given a chance to work on Python. If suppose this person leaves, or if suppose that person is on leave, in that case this person will work. Okay, so that is about job enrichment. Now after job enrichment, the next thing we have is the job enlargement. So let's see. So job enlargement means multiple tasks are combined together and given to a single person. So single person will do more tasks which are simpler. Okay, not complicated tasks. Single person will do n number of tasks and all those tasks will be very simple so that they can easily do. And because of this, what is the advantage? He can get more skills. Like for example, HOD is there. We have a HOD of our department. What is the role of the HOD? He has to manage the department. In some colleges, HOD will take a class also. So in that case, what he is doing? He is managing the department. At the same time, he is teaching the subject. That means he is getting both management skills and teaching skills. And along with that, when you are teaching a subject, you will obviously revise all the things, right? So he is improving his subjective knowledge, he is improving his teaching skills, he is improving his management skills. Okay, that means he is getting chance to do or to work on different skills. Got it? So this is about job enlargement. In this video we have learnt about what is job design and what are the 4 techniques we have in job design. You can follow any of those techniques in your organization. Got it? So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you're still having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, let's meet up in the next coming video with another topic. Till then, stay tuned to my channel.